So, question of the day. Will the Flashbang work with a sports bra? And the answer is a resounding yes. Your bra, as always, has to have enough support to hold the weight of the gun. So if you can take your gun unloaded and tuck it underneath your bra band and it stays put, it's supportive enough. The Flashbang works great with that bra. If it won't hold it in place, like say it's a yoga bra or a little bralette, it's not going to work with a Flashbang because it'll just keep slipping off the bottom. The other thing is you may need to order an extra long strap. Let me show you. So I've got an extra long strap on there because the gore of my bra, the front of my bra, is about 5 inches wide. So I need that extra length to accommodate. And I also want to point out that I am not in low carry or high carry here. This is custom carry. The snap on my Flashbang is right there. So if you're curious about custom carry, we have several videos that talk about that specifically. So go check those out. I'll try to link them here. Yeah, Flashbang sports bra, it's a win.